Thanks for joining me today. Tech Savvy for Seniors, I'm Glenn Polson. Today we're going to talk about Messenger, and especially the video portion of Messenger. So many of my friends have problems with this, and I thought it might be helpful for you. If you're already tech savvy on Messenger, by all means, skip ahead. We're going to talk about 3 other platforms later on, especially dealing with FaceTime and Zoom, and of course, Microsoft Teams. But that's not in this video, so stay tuned. If you like what you're seeing, please leave a comment and hit like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the video. Welcome to Tech Savvy for Seniors. I'm Glenn Polson, and I'm glad you dropped by today because we're going to talk about video chats and how to make the best use out of our videos. With our friends and our family, if we have groups we belong to or groups we might even want to start up. So let's get started, shall we? I want to take our time because as seniors, sometimes we get a little bit impatient when things just don't work the way we expect them to. We're all in the same boat. We think we should press a button and everything should just work. Sometimes it is that way and we don't have a problem with it, but other times we just need to relax, take a deep breath, sit back, and see how things work out. So, if you're already on Facebook, you probably have Messenger. Maybe you're already using Messenger, and that's awesome. It's a great tool, especially when you want to meet up with a friend or a bunch of friends. You know how you can add people to different chats. Anyway, let's have a look and see. On the left here, you'll notice, I'll move my cursor over and I'll highlight this for you. This is where all of our friends and associates are listed, and you can just pick and choose who you want to. In this case, on the right here, Pam, my wife, is going to help us out to get this video done. So you can see exactly what to do to change a background, how to start a video chat, how to stop a video chat. So, without further ado, let's have a quick look at the controls. Over here on the right hand side, you'll notice that there's a receiver here. It says audio call. You can obviously use this if you just want to make a quick phone call to a friend of yours or a group of friends of yours, because it'll call everybody at the same time. Right next to it is a video call button. It looks like a little old-fashioned video camera. This is obviously the button you're going to use if you want to call somebody or call a few people. If you've already set up a chat with a group of people, then you already probably have been doing this all along, and that's awesome. So we'll see how to change background, make it look a little bit fancier. And now we're going to call Pam. Hi, and we're back. Thanks for taking the call. You'll notice that we have a picture-in-picture. I'm up here with a bit of a messy background, and we're going to change that background and put in some interesting features. I clicked on the picture, as you can see from the highlighted mouse, and here you have effects, backgrounds, and lighting. So let's choose a background. Here we go. How about taking tropical beach? There. Your background has changed. Now Pam sees me and the background that I've selected. All good? Thanks everybody. Bye Pam. Hit the hang up button in the bottom right corner. And there, how was the quality of our call? Well, it was pretty good. I'll give it a 5. There we go. I've submitted the 5, and now our call is finished. So, for an added bonus, the background that you're looking at right now is a theme that can be changed. If you look up here, again by the magnifying glass, go over to the chat options. You can hit the 3 buttons on the chat buttons, and you can come down and you can pick themes. If the theme you want is something like Coachella, not sure what Coachella looks like, so let's test it out and see. There we go, we've touched Coachella. Let's say that we're going to set that theme. There you go, it's palm trees. Looks great. So we're going to leave that. So for now, that's it on chats. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you very soon. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you have, please leave a comment. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can bring you more videos. Next week, we'll be looking at other video platforms that you might enjoy. Changing backgrounds is always a lot of fun, and it keeps things interesting. So, Tech Savvy for Seniors, Glenn Poulsen, the senior will talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.